Good afternoon, Active Plumbing. Melissa here. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would she be doing this? What's in it for her? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local businesses are too busy running their businesses to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. And I found that by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their businesses, again for free, has resulted in some of those businesses still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Melissa, please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you like what you've heard and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take what I've shown you and tackle it for yourself, well, that works for me too. So let me show you some of these things that we can do. As you see, I'm on your website here, and the first thing that you can do is increase the content on your website. For Google to really crawl you and want to rank you higher, you need to have at least 1,500 words on that homepage there. And here we are. I mean, you can see you fall pretty short of that. So you're going to want to add content to that. You're also going to want to secure that website. As you can see up here, it's not secure, and Google really likes to have those secured websites. So you're going to want to do that as well. I'm going to take you over here to a couple of your competitors. They have more of the words that Google's looking for, more of the content, but they're again not up there at that 1,500. However, they are ranking higher than you are in Google. And here's another one, Lynch over here, Lynch Heating and Plumbing, sorry about that. They don't have the content word either, but they are still ranking higher than you, and I'm going to show you why here in just a second. So that's the first thing you can do. The second thing is use this little tool. It's called whitespark.ca, and this is for citations. And citations is simply your business name, your exact business address, your exact phone number as it is in Google. And very easy to get. Here you have 29, so you have a little bit more than Lynch Heating and Plumbing, but some of these here have 37, 74, and ideally what you're going to want is 200 to 300 citations to really blow your competitors out of the water and to put you right up there at the top, which is, let's face it, that's where you want to be. And in order to get these citations, you're going to go into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, Yext, City Star, and so on, and just put in your business name and your address and your phone number exactly as it appears in Google. Now the next thing I want to show you that you can do is getting backlinks. And backlinks are simply link juice, basically. It's links that are from another source, from another website, pointing back to your website, letting the Quad Cities know that you guys are the authority when it comes to all things plumbing here. So we're on yours. This is a tool I use, Ahrefs. It's about $70 a month. Just depends on what your plan is, but it ranges around there. Anyway, so here we are. I pulled you guys up in Ahrefs, and you have a pretty strong URL, 14, but you only have 40 backlinks coming back to you. So you only have 40 different sites pointing back to you saying that you're the authority. You have 13 referring domains, but if you go over here and look, you have 0 organic keywords. So you're not coming up, you're not ranking for keywords that you should be ranking for that the Quad Cities can find you for. So let's move over to one of your competitors here, Lynch Heating and Plumbing. Their URL is not quite as strong as yours are, but they have more backlinks, they have more referring domains, and they definitely have more organic keywords than you guys have. Another one of your competitors, Northwest Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning, they have 1.4 thousand backlinks and 217 referring domains. The URL is a lot stronger than the ones that we've been looking at 29. Their trust is a lot higher at 21. That's what this DR is, it's trust. And they're ranking for 181 keywords. And then over here at Triton, their URL is strong. Their trust is not quite as strong as Northwest, but their backlinks, there are 256 backlinks. So again, a lot higher than what you guys have. So that's something that you can go after. It's easy to do. You just go in and look at their backlinks here in this tool that I'm showing you, and you just go start grabbing them. So I'm going to end back on your guys' homepage, and we're going to go over this once again. You're going to want content of at least 1,500 words. You're going to want more citations, 200 to 300, ideally to beat your competition by a landslide, And you're going to want some of that link juice. You need more relative sites pointing to you to show Google that you are the authority here in the Quad Cities. If you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So you can either take this information that I provided you today and do this on your own, and I am totally cool with that, or if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 309-235-9255. Thank you, and you have a great day.